Hello friends, what's up? I'm here again with a new video. So I wanna say welcome to my YouTube channel to everybody. If you are new on my channel, my name is Suku and also you can call me Kanchi. So today I'm going to create this look. If you like my look and also wondering how I create this look, then keep on watching until the end. Let's start. Guys, I always prefer to apply sunscreen before makeup to protect my skin from sun heat or any kind of light because I have a very sensitive skin. You guys know what I'm talking about if you have watched my previous video because I have a lot of skin problem. Anyway guys, let's jump to the another step. I'm mixing this foundation today and to correct the shade and also texture. At the first, I'm just mixing these two foundation with the help of little brush and I'm going to apply evenly on my face. Personally, I prefer to apply with the brush at the beginning and later I just wanted to go with a beauty blender or a sponge to buff it out. By doing this, I feel like my foundation blend evenly on my skin. So this is totally my personal thing. So what do you guys think? How you use or how you blend your foundation? Let me know on the comment box below. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with the brows. I have a same brows in a deep brown and I think it's broken, but it's okay, never mind. I'm gonna use same one. I just go randomly with my eyebrows. I don't take much time usually. So I'm trying to make thicker on the back side of my eyebrows than the front side. That's why I'm being a little bit harsh, and front side I'm being gentle and just try to make a thinner line so it looks more natural. Yeah, and then later I'm gonna just brush it out with a brush. That's all. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Here's a trick, guys. I just wanted to add a little bit of mascara on my eyebrow brush. I just wanted to add on my eyebrows to make it more dense and thick because I have a black hair, so I just wanted to make it a little bit darker. Again, it's a personal choice. If you guys love my trick, definitely you can try it. Maybe you're gonna like I do. And at the end, just I'm gonna clean with the concealer brush, taking a little bit of concealer or any foundation. Voila guys, I'm finally done with my eyebrows. Now it's time for Anka. So as a base, I'm taking Maybelline concealer and just apply a little bit and buff it out with the sponge. And it goes a little something like after concealer, I'm taking Kat Von D setting powder and set every concealer so it won't be any sticky while I'm applying eyeshadow. It helps to blend flawlessly. For today's look, I'm taking this Sashi eyeshadow palette and it has only 5 color. I'm taking Morphe M562 and taking with deepest color, this one, deep color. Now I'm directly applying from outer corner of my eyelid and just buff it out upward. And also I'm dipping more eyeshadow as much as I need it. With a small Morphe brush, I'm taking this lighter shade and just applying center of my eyelid and try to buff it out towards the inner corner of my eyes. And again, I'm gonna add more if I want. As you can see guys, I'm trying to buff it out any harsh line so it looks more smooth and natural. At the same time, I'm just trying to make wing with the same shadow and brush. And likewise, I'm going in the front. As I'm going again back to the same color, that deep one, and applying at the same place where I applied before, and just blending out to give a more definition. Now it's time for cut crease, and I'm taking all-time favorite, my drugstore concealer. That's Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I'm gonna take and just put a little bit on my small eyelid, and with the help of concealer brush I'm gonna just blend it. Now I'm heading to another step. I'm just going to pick this lighter shade with a small brush and applying outer side of my cut crease, because I really want to make a nice and blurry finish between white and brown instead of looking really harsh between two color. I think that makes sense. And also I'm gonna repeat the same way with the other side. I have applied concealer. I'm gonna go and just blend with a sponge. And by the way, I have finished my upper eyelid, just left fall eyelashes. So I'm gonna go and just apply it later. Actually, before finish my eyes, I just wanted to go with a bronzer, and I'm taking this Allegar Pro Concealer on darker shade and just applying on my forehead, cheek and neck side, and also blending with a small brush. I grab the small brush because it's easy to control and what I want.
And it goes a little something like
taking Kat Von D setting powder and just applying with a small Sephora brush. Foundation, concealer, bronzer, everything is set with the powder. Now I'm gonna go back with my eyes and do my under eyes and then also eyelashes. This eyelashes is from Tarte. And also I just wanted to go back and add a little bit powder bronzer to lock every my cream bronzer and give a more definition. And also I really like a bronzy look. I love bronzer and blush also. I think I'm good to go. Now I'm going to add blush. For that I'm taking eyeshadow palette that I've used before, and with this lighter shade, patting on my hand so it doesn't go too much, and just apply gently on my cheek. Voila! Now I'm gonna jump to the highlighter and picking this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, just applying on my cheek, on my forehead, on my nose, chin, everywhere, but not too much. No, this time I was trying to be funny because I was so bored and tired, guys. Now I'm quickly clean my lip and make ready for my lipstick. I'm grabbing Morphe lipstick. I think I haven't seen the name of this lipstick in lip gloss over here, but actually I'm not a big fan of lip gloss, so personally I don't like much. But yeah, I'm just doing for video. And guys, I didn't realize that one side of my eyelashes are fall. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. That's all, guys. This is the end of my video. I hope you had a fun watching my video, and if you do so, please consider to subscribe my channel and also like and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and stay healthy and stay safe and take care.